The commands we have encountered so far have either performed some data operations or passed them to certain operands. After executing such a command, the processor transfers control to the next command. However, at least in a more sophisticated programs, such one after other command execution is no longer sufficient. So now we are going to examine the types of flow control. Consider the following code, where in it the print is a predefined macro command. In this program, decision which command to run in the next step is done by two champs in line 4 and 6. And a decision itself can be conditional and unconditional. Unconditional means that control must be delegated to a command that is not a sequentially followed command but is described elsewhere in the program code. Conditional means that the decision about which command to execute in the next step is made based on the results of a given condition or data analysis. A program is a sequence of commands and data that occupy a certain amount of random access memory, RAM. This space can be continuous or consist of several fragments. This means a segmentation of program code and its data. What program command to execute in the next step, the microprocessor learns from the contents of the register pair, code segment and instruction pointer. Code segment, CS, contains the physical, also called base address of the current code segment. Instruction pointer, IP, contains the value representing the shift in the operating memory from the beginning of a segment on which a particular command is stored. Based on the principle of operation, we can distinguish three groups of jumps. These are unconditional, conditional, and loop control commands. In the next lectures, we have a deeper look into each of them. Keep pressing forward and see you in the next lecture.